Oh, I know down yonder, it was right here on the side of the road.
It's diving like crazy back to the road right there.
You're good. I won't get your face in the video.
Don't worry, down 10 o'clock news.
You won't be on the 10 o'clock news yet. I promise. I think it's too late for that anyways. So where'd this water come from? Just what was underneath the cavities in the earth there? Or is this is water coming out of the water main because you uncovered the top of it?
Yeah.
That's what it is? Okay. Morning! You didn't bring one for me. You knew I'd be here. Good morning, Tony and Meta.
Hello.